In this video, I want to show you how to edit multiple records at the same time. It's called the bulk edit feature, and it's available in CRMPlus365. If you look at the screen, you'll see we have several companies, and each of them has a type. We have clients, prospects, and partners. What I want to do is take all the prospects and change them to clients. So what you could do is click on all the prospects. And then click the edit button at the top. And what you'll see is a screen with a lot of blank fields. What I want to do is change the type and set the value to client. And then hit change. Everything gets changed. Now it's important to realize that this is also a very dangerous feature because I could have easily changed the company name that easily. So be very careful in using it, but it could end up saving you a lot of time in the long run.